Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video tutorial, we shall learn how to update the sales price of products from the purchase order in Axanta ERP. So let's start. So first, we'll go to the purchase module. So we'll click here, click on this purchase module, and we'll click on purchase orders. And we'll click on this purchase order. So for this video tutorial, we had already created this purchase order, which is a confirmed purchase order and which is in the lock status. Kindly note, to update the sales price from the purchase order, it is very important that the purchase order should be a confirmed purchase order. So here, as you can see, in this purchase order, there are two different products for which we have created a purchase order. That is this 2 pocket light jeans, and the second product is this AHA style case, wherein for this product the unit cost price is 5 kd and for this product the unit cost price is 2 kd. So for this video tutorial, we shall be setting the sales price of products by product category. So first, let us check the categories for these two products. So as you can see, this 2 pocket light jeans product belongs to the apparel category and this AHA style case belongs to the AirPods accessories category. Now let's say you want to set up a sales price in a way that on apparel category you want to have a margin of 50% and on AirPods accessories category you want to have a margin of 60%. So to do this setup, we'll click here on this menu and we'll click on the sales module, and under configuration click on product price matrix. So here we shall create the product price matrix. So we'll click on this create button. Here you can see various options like product, category, subcategory, and so on. So as for this video, we shall be setting the product price matrix by category. You can set it by product as well as by subcategory. So here in the category we'll select apparel, and here in the margin we'll set 50 and we'll save it. Then we'll again click on create and select the AirPods accessories category, and here in the margin we'll enter 60 and we'll save it. So this is how we can create the product's price matrix. So once the setup is done, we shall go back to the purchase order. So now to update the sales price, we will click here, click on this arrow and click on create price journal. Here in the price type, select last purchase and mark this apply price from matrix option as true. Now there might be a situation wherein there might be some products, categories or subcategories in the PO for which you have not set the product price matrix. So you can set it the percentage or the amount from here itself. Now on the other hand, there might be a situation where you have set a percentage margin for a product in the product price matrix as well as here in the percentage, and here you have also marked this option as true. So in such case, the system will give the priority to the percentage which is set on the product price matrix. Then here you have the rounding option, so you can set how much decimal places you want. Then here is the price calculation formula, that is price is equal to this price type, that is whatever price type you select. So we have selected last purchase, into 1 plus percent, that what the percent that you have entered, divided by 100 plus the amount. So for example, if instead of percentage you have entered the amount, let's say the cost price of a product is 5 and here in the amount you have entered 2. So in such case the sales price of that product would be 7. So now we shall click on this load button. So as you can see, the sales price for this product has become 7.5 kd, and for this product the sales price has become 3.2 kd as per the margin percentage we had set. So now you need to click on this post button to reflect the changes. So we'll click here, and as you can see, the status has changed to posted. Now we shall open these two products and see the changes. So as you can see, for this product the sales price has become 7.5 kd, and for this product the sales price has changed to 3.2. So this is how you can update the sales prices from the purchase order in Axanta ERP.